I'm Mark Moriarty, winner of the San Pellegrino Young Chef 2015. The global contest returns for 2016, with the grand finale been judged by the culinary superstars of Gagan Anand, Helena Arza, Mauro Colagreco, Carlo Krakow, David Higgs, Wiley Dufresne, and Roberto Sudrak. If you are hungry for the challenge, apply at FineDiningLovers.com between January 1st and March 31st. Best entries will form a regional shortlist, selected by ALMA, the International School of Italian Cuisine, throughout April. Then, the competition heats up in the regional finals across 20 regions worldwide from May 1st to August 15th. Local winners are selected by juries of regional chefs. Then, the final challenge, the Milan Grand Finale event. The world's best 20 young chefs, each guided by their mentor chef, put their skills to the test and their culinary creations on the table, judged by our stellar jury. Discover more and taste all the excitement of this epic food contest at FineDiningLovers.com.